Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Ravi Teja. Let's solve today's Leetcode problem 1689, partitioning into minimum number of Deci binary numbers. A decimal number is called a Deci binary if each of its digits is either 0 or 1 without any leading zeros. For example, 101 and 1100 are Deci binary while 112 and 3001 are not, okay, because it contains 2. Okay, the number which you are choosing should only contain zeros and ones. Okay, given a string n, then represent a positive that represents a positive decimal integer. Return the minimum number of positive Deci binary numbers needed so that they sum up to n. Okay, the idea is we have to pick certain numbers such that it will only contain zeros and ones, and their summation should turn out to be 32. Okay, and we should come up with a minimum number of numbers which we can choose. Okay, so if you think, see, I can just pick ones 32 times, then that will also sum up to 32. That is one possibility. Okay, but since we are trying to minimize the numbers which we're gonna choose, okay, so if I choose numbers of same length, then I can actually I can actually choose a minimum numbers, right? So what first idea is to choose numbers of same length. Okay, now in order to form 3 at each digit, okay, at each digit I can only have ones or zeros. So in order to form 3 I should need 3 ones. Okay, so the first number will be 3. In order to form 2 I should need 2 ones, so rest will be 0. So that is what we have. So the numbers would turn out to be these 3, and we can only, the minimum number of numbers which we can choose is only 3 here. Okay, if you choose this, if you select this, then in order to form 8, at least I need 8 ones. So in order to form 2, I need at least 2 ones, at least 7 ones, at least 3 ones, at least 4 ones, right? So the maximum of, so I have to form 8 numbers at least, because in order to form 8, the first number I should take 8 numbers with first decimal as 1 in all of those 8 numbers. So I did that. Problem statement boils down to identify the maximum number in n. Okay, maximum digit, identify the maximum digit in your number, and that will turn out to be your answer. So you have to at least choose 9 numbers, okay, using which we can for sure form this n. Okay, so I just define answer as initially as 0 and iterating through the digits in n, and then trying to maximize my answer. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. If you submit this, all the test cases will be passed, and it will be pretty efficient solution as well. And if you think in terms of time complexity, we are just iterating through the entire string, so the time complexity will be big O of length of n, and space complexity is constant because we are just using few variables, nothing more than that. That's all about this problem. If you like the explanation, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I will be posting solution in multiple languages such as Java, JavaScript, Python. Feel free to check it out. And I've also started a DP series where I've solved Leetcode dynamic programming study plan problems. Feel free to check it out. Thank you.